Hello everybody, it's Ashwin Rao. And today I'm doing an unboxing of a brand that I've had a long-term connection with based out of Vietnam, and that is Hephaestus Shoemaker, founded by Thanh Le, and he does a really incredible job of making classic men's dress wear and dress shoes specifically with a bit of a flair. So with that in mind, let's start the unboxing. This is going to be a pair of Hephaestus split-toe derbies in a Shinky shell cordovan leather using some of his high-end techniques along his King line of shoes. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the box, and what you see right, a nice shoe horn that he includes. Looks like an extra set of laces, and then a thank you card. Then what looks a little like a dryer sheet, but I think it's just to help with the grippiness of keeping those items in proper presentation. Then he includes what looks like a little bag, which is with his name branded on it. So you can see right there the Hephaestus brand. It looks like a single shoe bag. I don't think I see a second shoe bag here. So there's one shoe bag, and if there's another shoe bag kind of hiding in here. So you can see some of the material here used for packaging. He does a really nice job. And oh, there's a bit of a reveal right there. Split toe derby. This pair on the King line came with lasted shoe trees, which he does a really nice job with. This was done in essentially a whiskey light brown shell cordovan from the Shinky Hikaku tannery out of Japan. Thanh did a custom patina to burnish and darken the toe. Wow, this is really, really well done. This shoe has a Norwegian welt. This is a more traditional 180-degree Norwegian welt. Very, very well done. Clean, from what I can tell, all the way to the 180-degree mark. You can see that this has a slight spade sole. That would be better seeing doing this. And what a beautiful sole. You can see here, wow, look at that work on the edges there. My gosh. You can see that he's done a little bit of textured detailing to the edge of the sole all the way to the edge of the fiddleback. Look at that. You guys can see that? And he has what look like some nails done along the waist. I'm not sure if those are functional or stylistic. They don't look like your traditional pegged waist. And then the heel block right here with some nails and the rubber heel pad, which I asked for. You can see that this has a beautifully tapered heel. And you can see how the taper works along the back side right there. A seamless heel, very well done. And just beautifully done detailing here. You can also see on the heel, I forgot to mention this sort of scalloped heel that he's become known for. I'll put that over there. And shoe number 2. Let's see here. And there is the other pair. Already laced with the same laces that he provided an extra pair for. Again, you see this very well done 180-degree Norwegian welt with a narrow fiddleback waist, scalloped heel block. You can see the notch that he did on the heel block right there, which is typical of bespoke makes when you see that step off right there. Again, you see lovely fudge detailing at the top of the heel block, and then you see this lovely tapered waist that really sits flush to the upper. The notch on the other side, slightly beveled edge to this fiddleback waist. And again, this incredible detailing that you see along the natural part of the forefoot and sole here. And leading to the toe plate there. Just beautifully done, my gosh. What a beautiful shoe. Reverse skin stitch, perfectly centered. That, my friends, is a wrap on this unboxing. Hope you're doing well. Have a good one. Bye.